Okay, now here I want to checking as a background, okay, background jobs. So you're using as a go for transition code SS16 or SS16 or SM30. So type the code. So standard level T BTC. T stands for table, BTC stands for background job, technical background job. Okay, background job. So means with these two tables, actually you have to go for, and you're getting us two table name. The two table names are TBTC and TBTCS. Okay, TBTCS and TBTCS. So overall background, O is nothing but overview, S is nothing but scheduling background job. So this is that one table, this is the one table. Okay, so what is the T stands for? Table for BTC for background jobs overview. Overall background jobs over will be storing as definitions will be storing as a first table, and scheduling background jobs is storing as a second table. Okay, so this is the third point. And what a fourth point we discussed? What a fourth point we discussed this. So how many types of status is available into the dialog work process? Same thing, Gaurav. Okay, so how many status so I said no, so how you say based on the status only you can define it. Okay, so how many status of background job? So again, how many last list, how many is there? Allow for status, it can be divided into six types. Now coming to background also will be in six types, it can be divided into
6 types, yeah.
first of all schedule. First one is the schedule. Okay, second one is the release. Okay, second one is the released. Okay, third one is the ready. Okay, fourth one is the, so the sequence is compulsory. You have to miss the sequence. Even if you have to go for certificate exam, the questions will be a sequence is compulsory. So when you're scheduling as a background job in background work process, what is status is there and what is sequences follow. So first of all is go for scheduling. After that is go for, okay. After that is go for release. After that is go for ready. After that is go for active. After that is go for either finished either cancel. Because of finished is nothing but successfully completed. Cancel is nothing but you are getting a so and so error. Okay. So this status is available. And even here one more extra point is there here. Sir, how many start conditions? Start condition is nothing but I want to scheduling as a background job. Okay, and particular condition. Okay, how many start condition? Okay, will be having into the will be having. Sorry, how many start conditions of background job? Okay, how many stages again? It can be divided into six types. It can be divided into six types. Okay, the first one is called as a immediate. As soon as possible, I want to scheduling as a background job, so I can go for immediate condition. Or else I want to go for particular date and time, so you can go for the condition is date and time. Or else I want to go for one job is finished after like at, so this called as like at event. One more is there. Sorry, I forgot this is sorry one first. Immediate, so date and time. At operation mode. Okay. At practice calendar. Yes. At practice calendar. Or particular working hours. Okay. The next one is uh, after job. Okay, and next one is after event. Like one job is finished and you go for after. So these are the conditions is available. Like you want to scheduling as a background job. Okay, you can based on these conditions only. I want to do immediately as soon as possible. Or you want to go for particular date and time. So as per your requirement, at operation mode, like practice calendar, after job, after event. So these are the conditions is available. Okay, so next one. So this is the, and by default last and final last less audit dialogue process responsibilities taking us on, so is defined. And last and final point, what is the last point you discussed? So what is the maximum? Okay, so what is the maximum ideal time for dialogue work process? Okay, same thing here. What is the maximum ideal for background work process? So is nothing but, so maximum ideal time is okay, maximum ideal time is 60 seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, background work process. Okay, Last time we discussed dialogue work pulse, how much is the 600 seconds. But coming to background work pulses, how much is the only at 60 seconds. How to set is nothing but last class discussing the parameter. Here also you can discuss the parameter. Anyway, the points is common. Only meanings will be different, the dots will be different. So remaining points will be common. So the points like so our disk slash btc underscore time. So it should be on 60 seconds. Okay, so these are the points will be there. Okay, now I want to go for practical session. So I want checking as a one by one point. Okay, so how to define the background job and how to schedule the background job with the background mode. So how to do it? So we go for practical session one by one. Okay, these are the points. So you have to clear about one by one points. One by one, we can discussing in depth level. Okay, so
Okay.
now my requirement is, so first of all, what is the purpose of you want to go for background job? So I want to scheduling as any task, any long running task like upgradation, backup, client copy, so anything. So like okay. So to reducing the load balance of dial-up or process, you want running the background mode. Now, how to schedule the background jobs in background mode, and even just thinking about like I said, ABAP guys or HR guys or MM guys or other guys are putting at the sounds report. So those are mailing to you. So Srini, so hi basis team. Today I want to creating a sounds or report name. So you can run into the background mode and check the results. Please revert me to the server tool. What are any errors will be there? Please revert me back. So what the time what we do? I want to take the report name. Okay, I want to take the report name. So I want to creating as a one background job. I can scheduling as a background mode. Okay, then I want to run it. So I can check it. So okay, even HR report, like even salary report. Salary reports are the only scheduling. HR guys are reviewing a so report. So you want to take that report name and you can scheduling as per your requirement. Okay. So how to scheduling will be discussed one by one. So again, the background jobs is CVs two types is there. What is the difference now? Okay, so now I want to go for a practical session. Okay, please I want to make a present or you. So log
Okay.
in to SAP system now.
Okay.
So how to define the background job? Okay, and where we define the background job.
Yeah.
To share your
Can you
screen.
see my Can you see my screen?
Yeah, now I'm able to see. Okay, so log on to SAP software.
GRC. Take three.
Okay, now we want to do transition code SM36. So how to define the background job is nothing but go for transition code SM36. SM36. So now what we do here, so I can define the background job. See here, what is that meaning? SM36 is nothing but define the background job. Means you want to create the background job, you can scheduling as per your requirement. Okay. Now here, enter the job name should be compulsory starting with ZR violator because a background jobs is also again divided into two type. So by default, we're getting as a like A2X letters is go for standard background job. Customizing background jobs are using as a ZR violator up 32 character you can use. Okay. So enter the background job name. So once you want to enter the background job, you can schedule it. It cannot be read back. So you can compulsory you want to remember the background job name, then only it is possible. So right. So enter the background job name. Just click on OK. Or just enter it manually. Enter it. Just click on J. After that, department. Which department I want to scheduling as report. Okay. So I'm just assume. So above guys I'll give into the so and so report. So that will be report. That will be scheduling to the background mode. Okay, now you're writing as jet underscore above underscore writer jet underscore above underscore and report name. What are the report? In real time, those are giving as a okay. Real time, those are giving as a this. Okay, but coming to here, okay, but you don't have anything now. So by default, you can do some standard reports for practice purpose. Okay, use a report name RSPO1041. Take this report name RSPO 1041 1041. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the report name. In real time, I said the job name is your wish. But under job name, you can running as so and so programming and so and so report. That will be standard. So in mail, what those are mentioned, you can compulsory maintain the report name only. Your naming is just understanding purpose. Okay. And next one is job class. What is meaning of job class is nothing but priority. So what by default, what the class is there? C. So what is meaning of C? So actually by default, three priorities is there. The first priority is called as A. A is nothing but okay high priority. B is nothing but low priority. C is nothing but so slow sorry A for high priority, B for medium priority, C for low priority. Just browse it. Go for job class and browse it. Actually that is the browsing option. Yes, just browse it. So you're getting as a priority. A priority, B priority, C priority. A for high priority, B for medium priority, C for low priority. Maximum 99% all background jobs will be scheduling as a low priority only because we see user is not a user interaction mode. It's a non-user interaction mode. By default, you have to go for C only, and even getting as a binary is by default C only. Okay.
Okay.
And what the status is? Status you cannot change. So by default, based on your actions, automatically the status will be changed. Again, previously the status can be given how many types? Statuses can be given totally six types. What are those? It's a sequence is compulsory. First one is scheduling. Okay, after that is go for released. After that is go for active. After that is go for sorry release. After that is go for ready. After that is go for active. Other that is go for either finish status, either cancel status. Okay. Now is this what is the status is that the scheduling status is only there. Okay.
Yeah.
So now you want to doing some operations. Okay. Then automatically is go for release. After that is go for active. So as per your requirement. Okay. So as per your
Okay.
function. Now here external target where we scheduling this target. Next one is external target is nothing but so where we scheduling this job like which server you want to running this job where which server you can schedule this background job. Okay, just browse it. You're getting a server name. Means where you so you're getting your server name. Okay, select your server name. Okay, suppose I'm not given a server name. At the time, what happened? Sir, you have only one server. So by default, you don't give any naming also. This server only will be executed. The report Java is executed to the this report like a sorry, the job is running to this particular server only. But in real time, you have a lot of servers is there like instance number 01, instance number 02, instance number 03, instance number 04. Like we have a lot of is there. So you can scheduling as per your requirement. Which server is free? So I can scheduling as this background job so and so target. That is the meaning of external target. Okay, sir, I want to create the background job, but till now I'm not assigning as any report. Okay, till now I'm not assigning any report name. So then what we'll do? Just click on save button.
Okay.
Okay, spool list that we'll discuss later. Okay, because of that is a printing concept. Okay, now click on save button. Now you'll be getting as a three steps. So you're getting a see here what are the three steps is there. So user ID, program values. What are the program values here? So by default, okay, by default. So when you just click on save button, means this background job you can define it as a three steps. What are three steps here? Either above program, either external command, either external program. Above program is nothing but the above program is predefined by the above developer. Means in above developer what this program is given, you can just enter the program as per your requirement.
Okay, so I can browse and he will
No, no,
give
no,
the.
no, just you can browsing, but we get a lot of reports. So I had using some standard report, but in real time, so those are giving us some standard reports. Okay, just write down, just close this. I can give some report name. So just write down RSPO 1041. Sir, what is the purpose of this? So later classes will be discussed. Okay, RSPO 1041. Okay, and next one is variant. So just select the variant and browse it. Variant is nothing but every program will be having as a particular input and output values. So those will be storing as a variant only. Now select any one variant as per the requirement. Now I won't select anything. I don't have any restriction. You are the web developer. You are the business consultant. Now you can taking anything. Okay. Select any one variant name.
Okay.
Okay. So at a time only one program will be defined. Okay. Click OK button. Okay. Now by default, now click on check button. Below is there na? So I want to say that program is existed or not, the report is correct or not. Just click on check it. So what happened? Don't getting any error means is correct. Suppose you want to give as a 4 5, give the 4 5, remove the 4 1, give the 4 5. Just checking purpose like is working or perfectly or not. RSPO 1041 you given, you giving as a 4 5. 4 5, okay, 4 4, okay, no problem. No, anything is 4 4 also not. Just click on check button. So now just click on check. So what happened? You getting as one pop up. What a pop up is the program is invalid. So means the program is not existed. Okay, that's why it's compulsory. What we'll do, you want to make as standard reports. As a basis concern, you don't do anything here. By default, you can just give this. Okay, so giving as inverse. So you have to give the proper report name. So what the above consultant will be given. So you don't do anything here. Just you want like above consultant what the report is getting. Just take the report and paste it here. Okay, then you have to scheduling as a background mode. Okay, then just click on check and save. Why I'm doing the checking is nothing but I want to check the program has existed or not. Just click on check and save it now. Then there are one more option is suppose sir again the same background job I want to scheduling as a one more report. Again what we'll do again click on create button. Again is pop up the three steps. Again click on create button. Okay. Now again enter one more report name RSPO 1043.
Yes.
PO 1043. So now you do your telling okay, it is okay, but when you go for real time, everything is given by the only and above consulting. Okay, and variant name. So variant is coming is nothing but okay, the program is there. Okay, Sunny Kenny and variant. Okay, then click on check and save. Check and save it. Yes. Okay, now see here. So one background Java, how many steps you can define? Now one background job, two reports you're running. Okay, like more than also you can running. The symbols is there now music, play band, play one. It's like you want to defining as one background job, you can defining as maximum number of steps, maximum number of reports. So you don't have limitation, you have to go for unlimitation. Okay, then go back. So that's why the symbols is there. First page, next page, previous page. The icons is there now. Okay, this. Okay, now so here just click on now below what happened. Oh, no, don't go for back. Yeah, it's not saved successfully. Go for SM36 exam.
Uh,
So
yes.
two times back. That's why you're getting as a back two times. So again create one more time. Is not saved. Okay, again do it was same process. Go for transition code SM36. Okay, define the background job name like see that SAP underscore above ABAP underscore RSPO this. Okay, now click on save button. Extend target. Even you don't select extend target, what happened? By default, you have only one server. Automatically take that jobs is scheduling the server only. Now enter the report name RSPO 1041. Browsing will take lot of time. Okay. The variant name. Browse it and select the variant name. Yeah, browse it. Just click it and save it. Okay. So again, we have to assign one more report also. Okay. RSPU 1043. Okay. Select the variant name. Okay. Again, click on check and save. Okay. Then just one time only back. Now just click on save button. Now what happened? Just click on save. But what happened now? Below you're getting as a so okay fine. Now again, what the status is there till now? What the status below? You're getting as some status. What the status is there? Scheduled only.
Schedule.
Even how many steps you define? See here, two steps is successfully defined. Sir, I'm not getting this. Why? Because you will just say what we do just now. You want to create one background job. You are assigning as a only on reports, but not scheduling as particular condition, particular get date and time. Okay. Then I want to run this background job so and so time and so and so particular condition. Then just click on start condition. Start condition option is there in the first icon. Define the bias, just click on. Again, just in previous you discussed, just now you discussed in notepads. Again, conditions can be done how many types? 6 types. Immediate, okay, date and time, after job, after event, at operation mode, and next the arrow mark is the factory calendar. So you're looking at US calendar, UK calendar, okay, get German calendars, Australia calendar, as per the client, okay, workday you can schedule it. That is the condition. Okay, below arrow marks is then selected. So now I want to see this background schedule in the background job immediate as soon as possible. So I want to check that. Okay, let's click on start condition. So select the condition is immediate. Just click on immediate. I want to run this background job immediately, but I want to see the output. Okay, again click on check and save button. So I want to check either the server is free or not. Just click on check. Suppose server is busy, you're getting other. So just click on when you check, you're getting other one pop up. What a pop up you're getting, the server is busy. Now when the job is started now, already started. So when we just what happened now here, immediately will be started. Now click on save button. Now what the status is getting. Now click on save button. Below observe what the status is getting. What the status is getting? Released.
Jobs status released.
So status is released. After release, what is next status is getting is a ready. After ready is go for active. After active is go for as a either finished either cancelled. So how to check whether background job is successfully completed or not. So at that time what we'll do, where we monitoring whether background job is monitoring like whether the background job is created successfully, scheduling successfully or not. Where we check, go for transition code SM37. Copy this report, copy this background job name because of I want to see this background job only. Copy this background job name. Go for transition code SM37. Okay. So how to check whether the background job is successfully running or not? So what is status is getting? So SM37 is a daily task for basis consultant. Define is not a daily task, but monitoring is a daily task. Anybody scheduling as a background, you are the responsible person. You checking as it that it is executing successful or not. Okay, you can monitoring them. Okay, now enter the background job name. Again, just click just click on schedule status. Wait.
Go back.
No issues. You're getting as the C. What the status is getting? After ready, automatically is go for active status. Okay. What the status is this? Background job name, spool logs, job is created, and what the status is the active. So select the background job, just refresh. It is getting as either finished, either within fraction of seconds. Select the job and first icon. First icon is the refresh icon. Okay, it is getting as a either finished, either sure. Just wait. Okay. Again, you're not selected properly. Just you selecting means you're getting a tick mark. Yes, now click on refresh button. So wait for some time. So it's getting as a scheduling just now. So you're getting as a either finished, either cancelled. Okay. Sir, I want to see the logs also. Just click on the background job name. Just click on job logs. Icon is in a. Just click on that. Just the job name. Select the job name. Choose here. Choose a valid entry, but at least choose the background job name and just click on job log. When this will be started, what the time it will be started. Okay, when it's finished. So okay, everything will be screened. Now see here what happened. So job was started. Step one. What step one? What happened? RSPO 104N. Okay, that variant will be running on so and so user ID. And next one, second report is not. What is the second report? RSPO 1043. That is also is not running. So that's why it taking some time. Just please wait. Sometime is getting as a status is finished or cancelled. So cancel is nothing but you have some errors. So you want to inform to the above consultant. Sir, you are writing so and so report. The report will be having as a so and so problem. Please recheck your program once again and come back to me. Suppose it's finished as nothing, you have to inform sir. So your job is successfully running. There is no errors. Please run into the your. Please continue program. So you can message like this. Okay, anybody doing this, you are the responsible person. So again, refresh button. Just refresh it. Yes. It will take some time, no issues. Okay, you have to go for next concept. So this is the way of weekend monitoring. So I know what we get, you get status is finished. Even when you get the update class, we're getting as a finished status. Okay, this is the first condition. What are the first condition to this thing? Immediate. What is the meaning of immediate? As soon as possible. Within fraction of seconds, I want to see the output. So what is the next condition? What is the next condition? Date and time. I want to scheduling as a particular midnight, so today midnight or tomorrow midnight as particular date and time. So now again, go for transition code SM36. I want to create one background job name. Go back again. Go for no problem. It's running this continuously. No issues. You don't have any interaction. By default, you can monitor it. Okay. Now again, you want to create one more background job name. So that will be scheduling to the particular date and time. Do it now. Again, create the background job name. So any background job S underscore Z RY letter Z underscore MM underscore. Now I want to scheduling as a MM department. Okay. Z underscore MM underscore. The report name is RSBTC Dell. RSBTC Dell.
BBC Dell.
BTC is missing. BTC
BTC
for background job. Okay, BTC is nothing but background job. Dell is nothing but Dell. Okay, understood. RSBTC Dell. No spaces. Okay, everything is common. There is no underscore. Everything is only one. RS
Okay,
BTC.
BTC.
Yeah, RS BTC. There is no P also not there. BTC. Yeah, P. Remove the P. Yeah.
RSBTC Dell.
Yeah. What is the meaning of this purpose? Is nothing but you want to delete the all background job. BTC for background job. Dell is nothing but delete. RS is nothing but report. Okay. Okay. Again, now just click on save button. Okay. Then automatically you can get it as the steps. So you want to give an a report name. Just now you're writing the RS BTC Dell. Enter the report name.
RSBTC Dell.
Okay, now select the variant.
In case of this variant, I can select anything from the list or they will define like here
Yeah.
lot many things.
Anything what the report will be having based on the report, the variant will be displayed. Okay, in real time, now you're defining anything, but in real time, what those are choosing, you can schedule their zone. What are the details? Everything is
What is this mail job in that one?
yes.
What is that? If I can say mail job.
I don't know this because of that is caring by the above consultant. You are just scheduling. Okay, that report
Okay.
also you don't know that report.
He
Just you can scheduling.
will, okay.
Okay, you can
He will
yeah you
he
can
will
select yeah.
he will give this information then. Is that correct?
The information this is a predefined by the ABAP developer in real time.
Okay.
Okay, then just
Now,
click check and save it.
okay.
Okay, again, if you only one job is fine, okay, then go back. Only one step is fine. Okay, no issues. Now what happened? What is the status is there? One step is successfully defined. Okay. What is the status again? The status is scheduled only. Now I want to schedule this background job today at midnight 12 o'clock. So not immediate. So just click on start condition. Just click on start condition.
Start condition.
Then you have to select the what is the condition. Select the condition is date and time. Select the date and time. It's asking at the scheduling start when the scheduling will be started. So just browse the calendar. Okay, select the calendar. So actually the software is this is server design. This is Roboron by default is getting 2015, 2017. Okay. Okay, it's not getting no issues. Select any date and time. Actually, server what the time is there, you can take that server because of those are in like those are not meant license version. Okay, select the date and time. Don't go fast. Now it is your present, not 2013. Actually, the server time is just remove that. Actually, it is a hours many session. Go for one's date. What the date the server is different, 2015 or 2017. Browse it, just browse it. You have to highlight the today time. So you're getting as a choice 19th to 2018. Okay, 19th only. Okay, you can scheduling as a 19th so and so time. Okay, scheduling as 19th only. Okay, just click on OK button. Correct only. Click on OK button. OK button.
Okay.
2013 only. Take the 2013 only. Okay, that's the one. What is the highlight will be? This is server time. Okay, don't defining as per date and time. Because of those are proving as a like institution guys are using as a like a authorization illegal activity, so those extend the license. Okay, and next one, no start after. So you want to give a particular time, like when the this job is when the background job is finished, like you want to give us one time, like just like a summary, just is some time. Not so this job is running as 2 days, or this job is running as one day. Just assumption. No start after. Okay, give the date 21st. Again, below is there. Now you can give the condition also when this background job.
Yeah. 21st.
Approach it. Okay, next one 21st. 21st 08 2030. Again, why the date is came into 2001? Previously that calendar is open 2013. Now why this calendar is open this?
I don't know. It was here only 1 minute. You
Okay,
want?
okay, now it is okay. Okay, 2015 that's okay. No, no, 2020. Previously is getting in 2013.
Yeah. So now 2000, right?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. And give the time.
Is it compulsory to view this time?
Yeah, no issues. Time and date is only date is fine, okay? Then just click on check and save. So that like check is nothing but that anybody scheduling the same date and time. Okay, please check it. Okay, no. Okay, start date is fast. So see here, start date is very fast. Just browse it. Start date is
Okay.
fast.
So now I'll check again.
Again fast only. Give the 2015 is better.
Okay.
2015, 2015. Just enter manually is better.
Okay. I can enter manually as well.
Or you can enter the manually 2015, 2015. Below also 2015. Start days is fast. 2017 with a 2017 today date, I think. Sir is taking this time. 2017, give the 2017. Now also getting a check. Okay, now his check is accepting, I think. Now click on check. Okay, now click on save it. Okay, I think when you when you check this background check, when you cut 2016, no, when you go for 2016 anyway. Okay, okay. Now see here. So plan is style. Okay, plan is condition, plan is date and time, and again you'll be getting as it. So what will you getting? You're getting as a no starter. Okay. So where are you monitoring? So where the background job schedule is starting and running is not. Again, go for copy this background job. Where we check? Go for transition code SM37 background. Just copy it up. Yeah, you want to know that the background job is scheduling successfully. So you're getting the status is scheduling. Not when it is not active, not anything. Okay, because so the job is go for like so on so date and time. Not for today, not immediately. Okay.
Now information.
Just click on no. Like schedule. Click on scheduling. Scheduling status. Below checkbox is there, na? Scheduling, released, finished, everything is just check that scheduling checkbox and then click on execution button. Actually, the time is 2015 only. Okay, now just click on execution button. What happened? Why getting is two times is nothing bad. So you're using as a two times saving. That's why you're getting two times. So the status is only scheduling. When the status is getting as a release, when the status is getting ready, 15 is nothing but. So you're scheduling so and so date and time now 2016, so and so date and so and so time. The background job is running, not now. Until that will be getting until the date will be getting as the status is scheduled only. Okay. So this is a way up you want to scheduling as a background job. What are the condition? Particular date and time. Okay. So next one is what is the next condition? After job. After job is nothing but one job is successfully completed, then automatically let's go for one more job. It's nothing but queue dependent, status dependent.
Okay.
Okay, again go for transition SM36. Here you only background job is common but only conditions. So based on your particular date and time, you can conditions you can define the condition. Either you want to schedule immediate, either scheduling as particular date and time, either you can scheduling as a after job, after event, or at operation mode, or fact category. So you know these two, okay, at operation mode and at fact table you discuss later classes because it's very big concept. And now you're discussing as a next one. What is next condition? Just assume. So you want to know go for so and so you want to scheduling a so and so. Just click on start condition. Then go for start condition once. Start after job. Just click on after job.
After job.
Third condition. What is third condition? After job. What is the meaning after job is nothing but so you want to give us so on so on. Previously you said na jet underscore mm underscore rsv. So after job is finished, then automatically let's go for this job. You want to just click on start the status dependent. It's nothing but so then we'll be getting as a successfully done. Then only is this job is one means is waiting until is waiting as a queue format. Okay.
Okay.
So sorry, you don't know particular term. That's why maximum is not using. Just we have for the like we have some condition. In real time, there is no use of only using as a date and time max. Maximum using a date and time only. Okay. Either you go for immediately. Status dependent. You are waiting for so and so background job, and what is background job is you want to check the overall queues and everything. It is not possible, and even checking us will take lot of tasks. So we just want to book for lot. We get a lot of process. Okay, and after the and that operation will be discussed later. And next one, what the next one is? Go for next one, ecpatic calendar. So means every country will be having separate calendar, and again under calendars, I want to schedule as a particular working day. Just next time, just click on the diorama. Yes. Now select the calendar. Just browse it. You are getting as a overall calendar list. Okay, overall calendar list. So select any one calendar. Under this calendar, you want to selecting as a working day, which is the working day. Select any one.
Okay.
Total 34 calendars is available. Suppose your client is also client, at the time you can add this one more client candidate also. That is can be do the only basis. Above consultant can be do the adding, changing these applications. Okay, select any one
Okay.
calendar. Okay, next one working day. So you want to enter the working day number. Which day is your working day? So just you have to enter the manual like okay beginning the month or ending of month. So you don't select any working day. So just click on so and so like so and so background job is working on so and so like your party calendar working day. Okay, select the working day 01, 02, 03, 04, 05 until you have to go for 99 days. By default 30 days is available, but you can put it as 90 days. The range is 99. Okay, you put it as 01. Don't give directly one, put it as two letters is compulsory 01. Okay, and condition. Okay, time and the time and the execution. Don't before that. Okay, then just click on check and save. So I want checking as that background job is the date is available or not. Again, click on check and save it. Now you don't have create any background job. Just I say process. Okay, but how to action a particular condition. Just click on save button. And now see here what happened. So job is start. What happened? No, you don't save it. No, you don't give any job name. No, you just have to schedule it. You had condition, you check the condition. Now see here. Suppose you want to create any background Z underscore, right? Z underscore. Again, you have to create one more background job.
Z
Again,
underscore.
yeah. Any again MM department, MM underscore RSBT is the same background job. Putting as a one. RSBT
R
del two. Putting as del two. BTC del two. Numeric. Numeric is two. Yeah. Then just click on save button. So after that, assigning is report name RSBTC del two. RSBTC del two. It is for the sorry. Enter the program name. Yeah. RSBTC del two. Okay. Now select the variant name. Okay. Then click on check and save. Okay. Then go back. Now click on save button. Now we're getting as the status is released because already you scheduling as job name, already you getting as a condition also. What is status is getting? What is status below? That status is go for
below.
released. So where we check
Yeah.
when background job is sending us successfully, when is released is nothing but so you want to go for so and so time. Now see what the time? 01/12/2015. So this is the day.
Yeah.
Okay, this day you can check it. Where we check the background job is successfully and go for transition code SM37. So you want to go for this particular date, you can check it. Not now because of the date is 11th 2015 is the system date. Now when you scheduling this 01/12/2015, you can schedule this background job. Okay, so this is the way of you want to scheduling as a background jobs. Okay, and monitoring daily. Okay, now I want to go for some troubleshooting points from SM37. Okay, before you want to troubleshooting, I want checking each and every icon. So what the first icon will be there? Start condition. So start condition
Start.
two, what we discussed. Start condition what we
Yeah.
discussed. We are discussing as a four conditions. What are the four conditions you discussed? Remaining details will be discussed later classes. Okay, what are the condition? First condition discussed. What are the first condition you're discussing? Immediate. Below arrow
Immediate.
is there, na? Below. Okay, now tell what is the meaning of immediate?
You want to just run the job as soon as
As
schedule the
soon
job.
as possible you can run the bag. So what is the condition for date and time?
Yeah, date and time is not nothing but it's a scheduled one.
Yeah, particular exact date and time. Okay,
Yeah.
when this background job exact date and time we can mention. And what is the next condition? After job. What is the meaning of after job?
After job, if you want to run a job, depend based on this job and status
Yes.
upon this job.
Okay. Okay. Next one. A factory calendar. What is a factory calendar?
Yeah, you can select a factory calendar based on your business and business area probably, and maybe business requirement.
Okay. So remaining condition is this. So those are the conditions. Is that is the first one. So close this.
Yeah.
And next one is steps. So in one background job, how many steps you can define? Just click on how many steps you can do. Total steps will be an. Well, so just click on that steps. Next icon. Just click on next icon. Steps. Okay.
Yeah.
Steps is nothing but what the steps will be there. The steps is like a above program. Next one above like this one external command. External program is just now we're discussing only above programs. We scheduling as
Yeah.
one above program. So later class is discussing as the external command and external. What is meaning of external command and external program will be discussed later. Okay. And next one, go
Okay.
back. What is next icon? Just go back. Go back.
After
Next one, job selection. When just click on job selection, which class is open? What is it? Just click on job selection. What
yeah,
did
I
it
did
say
that.
actually? So what did it start? What should it say actually? This is SM37.
Okay, this is only SM37. Okay.
Yes, automatically is navigating from SM36 to here directly. You can monitoring whether the background job is successfully defined or not. Any errors is there. Okay, based on this you can check it. Okay, then go back. Okay, next one,
What is
own jobs means, sir, I forgot it. Today, what are the background jobs I'm practicing? Okay, your user ID, now see, GSC, user 2. So, what are background jobs is good. So, till now, you just number of background jobs you created. Now, see, here previously, first term, one created one background, so what happened? The status is what happened? Is getting as a finished, means successfully done.
yeah?
Okay, okay. Okay, then fine. Okay, now here, now second remaining jobs. So means the user ID, what is the background jobs is there and what is the status is there. Like your user ID, what your own jobs is nothing but your particular is not everyone. Your particular user GSI user 23, particular user ID, how many background jobs is creating today. So that is everything is clearly here. Okay, and what is the status will be there. So based on the status, you can troubleshoot it. Okay, then go back.
Oh, job is that.
Next one, job wizard means how to create the background job, how to define the background job by using wizard. Just same thing. So what the difference is nothing but only a user interface is different. Everything is common. Okay, just click on continue. Yes. Now define the background job name. Again enter the background job name. This will be given some guidance. Okay, previously is getting as a SM36 will be having as a only a what happened you're getting as a no there is no navigation part. So there's no guide also. So now you're getting as a guide also. See here, enter the job name. Scroll down. Scroll down. You're getting as a general information. So you're getting as a what are tabs and everything. You can just scroll down.
Okay.
Yeah, you're getting a job information. Yeah, enter the job name. Why I'm selecting as a job class. Why I'm selecting as a target server. Now see here why I'm selecting target server. So why selected target
Okay.
system is so when you're getting a system is getting a system load balancer, you can selecting as a target load balance, so target server. Okay,
Enter
so you
job.
can get some guidance. Okay, when you go for SM36, at the time you define the background, you don't have any guidance also. But if you go for the wizard, you get some guidance. Okay, now enter the background job name.
Send underscore.
Okay, Z underscore so and so. Okay, already is there. You taking as a okay. Change the department at least. Already is there. Na? Z underscore HR underscore
S
RSBTC Dell. Same report.
HR.
HR underscore RSBTC Dell. Remove everything. So it's not possible to do this. RSBTC Dell.
RSB. Yes.
Okay, and job class. Second priority is divided into three types. Low priority, high priority by default is low priority. Then click on continue. Just click on continue. What happened? Previously, what happened? Just click on save button, you're getting the steps. Now also you click on continue, you're getting the steps. What steps is there? Scroll down and just check it. What is meaning of above program? What is meaning of external command? What is meaning of okay? Now I want to extend the above program. Then click on continue. Okay, now enter the program name. Enter the program name RSBTC Del 2. Okay, and variant name. Browse it.
Then continue, yeah.
Yeah. Click on continue. Again, if you want repeating step, you can check the checkbox. I don't want again, then click on continue.
Okay, it has given most option. Yeah, okay.
Now I want to read it. Just scroll down. It above is in what is the meaning of immediately. Scroll down above in some descriptions is it. Read it. What is meaning of immediate? What is the meaning of immediate? No, see here. Okay, the job is traveling it as soon as possible. Okay, so next one, date and time. So and date and time is nothing but a date and time, exact date and time. Okay, particular working day in month. What is that condition actually? Factory calendar. Fourth one, what is the fourth one? Once job is
One.
finished. So that is go for after job. Okay, fifth one is nothing but one system user is getting an event occurring. Okay, and next one is the operation mode. Okay, so I want to scheduling as soon as possible. Just click on continue. Select the condition. So just click on continue. Okay, now it will be display. Sir, you do this reporting and everything. Where we are running, which work process will take this entire background job. You can scheduling as a. So where we go for it? Totally background. Now see here it will be display how many background jobs is free. Okay. Now see here what happened. Read that. What happened when you just click on what happened? Now see here.
Now we start running as soon as we finish
Job
one
is
work.
running as soon as possible is complete there available to the background work process because I want to show you background mode, not dialogue mode. Okay.
Please specify
So, yeah.
with it.
Okay,
Then
everything is there and periodical also. Even periodic is nothing but I want to select it. Periodic is like every day, every week, every minute, or every hour will be running. You can select that periodic values. Now below will be getting as this here. So background job information, background resources is available. So job will be running on within minutes. Okay. Total how many background jobs is there for this server? How many jobbers will be free? But when you go for SM36, you cannot do anything. You don't know anything about that background jobs is free or not. You don't know anything about. But coming to here, what happened? It will show them. It will show this wizard. It will show them like how many background jobs is there, how many background jobs is free. Okay, for example, I have three background jobs. Two background jobs will be currently free. Like that, you're getting that option. When you go for SM36, you cannot define anything. Good. In normal, you scheduling as a without wizard, you don't getting anything. But here coming to here, it will display overall. Okay. Then click on continue. Just click on continue. Hello? Yes. Okay. Now you're getting as a memory summary once again. Now what happened? So your job is successfully defined. Why or just static up? Okay. Again, where you monitoring whether the background job is successfully defined or not? So again, where we go? You want to go for SM37 only.
yeah.
Okay. What the difference is nothing but previously you're defining as a normally. Now you're deciding as using as a wizard based. Okay. Then click on complete. So nothing is there. The functionality coming to functionality wise is everything is same. Only looking wise is different. Okay.
Yeah.
And next one, most important one is standard bag. So even using the transaction code also. Transaction code is also there. How to define the background jobs by using wizard? Use the transaction code SM36 This. Go for command box. Once go for command box.
Command.
No, 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 not here. Scheduling standard bags will be discussed with. Just I want to open the wizard. Without I don't go for SM36. I want to open the wizard. Okay, then go back. Once go back. Okay, just go back. Okay, use the transaction code. Okay, SM36 This.
Yes.
SM36 This. This. WIZ, wizard is first three letters. Yes. Then click on enter button and automatically pop up this. Okay. So either you have to go for SM36, just click on job wizard, either you can go for directly using as a transaction code based. Okay. So this is the way you want to scheduling as a cancel it, no issues. Okay. But same thing. Okay. Okay, now this is a way we want to scheduling as a customizing background job. Why I had to giving as a background job name is called as a Jadar Violet is nothing but because I'm defining as a customer background jobs. Okay, now next to our task is how to schedule the standard background jobs. Even the standard background jobs is also called as a housekeeping jobs. Housekeeping jobs is nothing but in a server system. So every day you are getting so many logs. Okay, you are getting so many logs. How to remove the logs is nothing but you can scheduling as a standard background job. You cannot creating, you can just selecting and scheduling. But when you go for when you go for customizing, you can create it manually. But here by default you are getting as a report name. By default you want to get everything. Okay, now here our target is how to schedule the standard background job. Go for transition SM36. Just click on. So now below will be there. Below options then above is nothing but the process. Okay, below is then schedule the standard background jobs. Okay, select the component. Okay, component is nothing but which module you want to schedule the background job. Just browse it. I want to schedule the background job for basis department. Okay, BC. Where is the basis department? Its technical name is BC.
BSD.
BC, yeah, BC. Okay, basis also you can type basis. Okay, then click on FID. So it's getting us technical base. Just select that. Okay, select our module name.
BC.
Yes. Okay, now select the job name. Actually, previously you are entering manually, but here what happened? You can schedule it. Just you have to select it and pick. Okay. Now select any one background job. Below is there. Delete the whole background jobs. Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. Now it is the background job name. Even when you enter the back, when you select the background, what happened? Automatically you're getting as job information. Automatically you're getting as a report name also. Okay. Okay. So now you have to selecting as a variant name.
Yep.
Yes. Variant name below. Variant name. Okay. Select the variant project. No values is for no problem. And the next one, select the server name. Below is there no variant is there. Select the server name.
Okay.
Okay. Now select the condition. How many conditions is there here? Only two conditions. When you go for customizing background job, how many conditions is there? So totally
Yeah.
you have totally sisters. Okay. One is for started condition. Now we have to okay immediate. I want to be as soon as possible. Again periodic. Again immediate. I want to periodic is nothing but job frequency. Every 1 hour is running, daily running, or weekly running, or monthly running. So I want to say daily, hourly running. Okay, this background job is immediate. Every hour is running. Then just click on save button. Nothing there. Just click on save button.
Job is released.
So what happened? The job is released. Okay, now where we check is above only. Already just above only can schedule. You see here, above only. What is our background job name? Your background job name is SAP underscore CPM. That is the first one. Yeah, that is the first one. Now see here, when you scheduling, what are the date and time, and what the status is? See the status.
Runs.
Yeah, it's a runs. The process is again right side scroll down, scroll left side. Scroll left side you're getting as a job information. Okay, and next one is getting as a okay, variant name. Okay, next one hourly based on variant name, and by default you're getting the priority also. You don't give the priority, by default you give the priority also, who are scheduling, everything will be displayed. Here you can monitor it, or else SM37 also you can monitor it. Okay, two methods is there. So this is a way of you want to scheduling as a standard background job. Actually, in real time, you can using as a standard background job as purpose. What is the purpose you want to schedule based nothing but so you want to delete the logs, any logs, okay, like printing logs, background job logs, any above dump error logs, any logs, you can scheduling as a background job. Okay, so this is the way how you want to scheduling. Sir, you don't getting any deletion button. You actually you are getting different. You are taking different. Okay, so you want to select one more background job. The background job is delete the overall background list. Okay, so this is the way of sorry, don't creating. You're just scheduling standard. SAP will begin some standard background job. You want just scheduling as per your requirement because of I want to clean up our system. Okay,
Okay.
so I want to clean up our system. Why I had to clean up my system is nothing but because okay, I want to go for every day. Okay, so I want to go for every day. Okay, I want to go for every day. So lot of logs is different. I want to delete the overall logs. It will take lot of time and lot of memory waste. So I want to scheduling as a background mode. I want to delete it easily by using this reports only.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the way up you want to scheduling as a standard background job and customizing background job. Okay. And the